The search page has been simplified and organized to help you work more efficiently. The search criteria has been organized to enable you to search the way you prefer and standardized so it is consistent across all counties. The search page has been organized into 3 groups of criteria: clerk information, party names, legal description of the property, and any miscellaneous information. Enter a tracking number, project name, or case number to associate activity to the appropriate transaction billing. This information will show up on your monthly billing. I'll now give an example on how to search with our new search functionality. You can now navigate between pages and activities from the search criteria page, eliminating clicks and expediting your work sessions. You can view the county you have selected, the dates you have selected, search bar, as well as a return to the dashboard. You can also view counties you also have in your account.